Hello friends, today I'll tell you how to do iris enrollment. Once you will open the kit, you will find one iris scanner along with it, one plastic attachment, one rubber folded attachment, two iron small sticks, one OTG cable, one Samsung tab or a different tab may be there, and one power cable. First, I'm going to tell you how to do the attachment. So you need to take the iris scanner, and before that take that rubber cap, put the sticks inside it the way you are seeing in the video. Now attach the plastic cover in the back side. Just fix it properly inside its holes. Once done, just fold the front side rubber half of its length. You can see how it is done. Now just check it properly how to do it. This is the way it should be folded. Now take the iris scanner, put it properly inside its holes the way you are seeing in the video, like front side should be there inside. This is the way you need to fix it. Now you can see in the video how it has been done. You need to ask the candidate to focus on the center of the glass, and there is one small light in the back side which will blink by the time of enrollment, which I'll tell you later how it will be done. Now I will show you how to attach your this iris scanner to the tablet. First you need to add the OTG cable in it. Then there is one small tick at the end of OTG cable. Put it inside the charging slot of the tablet the way you can see it here. Once you will do it, you will see one blue light in the front side of the scanner. This blue light shows that the iris has been attached properly. Now I will tell you how to do the enrollment process. To start the enrollment process, just add the OTG cable. As soon you will add it, you will find one pop-up there on the screen. You need to click on the checkbox and click OK button. Post that, you will see there is one TrustView app which is already installed into your tablet. Open the TrustView application. Before opening it, make sure that your device is connected through internet or mobile hotspot. Once you open the TrustView, you will find three options there. These three options are exam code, user ID and password. Put the exam code, user ID and password the way we have shared it. It will be unique for every center, and then click on submit. Then you will see your center details there. Once you find that center details are absolutely fine, it is pertaining to your particular center, click on connect or correct, which will be there in the lower right side. Click on that. Now you can see your app is ready for the enrollment. Once you log into your app, you will see how it will be showing the candidate details here, which you can see on the screen. To enroll a candidate, you can find one option there where you can see my finger. Once you click there, you can scan the barcode by clicking on that if there is any barcode there on the admit card of the candidate, or else you can do a manual entry as well. Just there is one option you can see here. Click there and put any roll number which is there for that particular candidate. For example, I'm putting one roll number, which is a dummy roll number 2001. As soon I'll put the roll number, you can see the candidate detail is there. You need to click on the candidate detail. Then you can find the candidate name, its photo, which you can match with the admit card of the candidate. Make sure that it should be matching properly. If there is any deviation, check it thoroughly. Now first you need to capture the picture of the candidate. For that, click on this plus sign where it will show capture picture. Before capturing picture, make sure that the candidate is not at all wearing the mask. Kindly ask the candidate to remove the mask and click the photo. Once you click the photo, kindly verify it, like you can check it whether photo has been captured properly or not. If not, then you can recapture it by clicking this option, or else click on OK if photo is not blurred. Now you will see how to do iris scan. For that, in the bottom side, yes, this option, click on plus. Now it will ask you to scan the eye of the candidate. Yeah, and you can see there is one red light which is blinking on the back side of the iris. Now check how I am holding it. In the same way, you also need to hold it and take it to the eyes of the candidate in the way I'm doing it. Ask the candidate to open his or her eyes wide open. As soon you will do it and it will capture the iris, it will start showing one light blinking on the backside in blue or green color. It shows that the eye has been captured, and this light will be stable then. It will happen only for a fraction of a second. In this way, you can capture the eye. And make sure your hand is also stable by the time you are going to capture the eyes. And you can see here how the eye has been captured. If you find that eye has blinked or it has come in a different format, you can do it again and click on save option. That's it. This is the way you will do a enrollment completed. Click on this option, yes, and now you can, which is continue, and you can again proceed with the next candidate enrollment.